So this is Audie Lomax, 5'7" male. Okay. Sleepyhead, huh? Okay, go play. Oh, now you're busy. Come on, toy puppy, puppy.
What you got? Get the toy. Hi. Hello.
Quit yet.
Good
Look at this, a
sit.
good boy. Whoops.
Careful.
Who's that toy puppy? You better have
Where's
his
the toy?
human.
Huh.
He likes Claire.
Yeah, this one's
I
fun.
like
huh?
you.
Yeah, you're such a good boy.
Go ahead and pick him up. Okay, puppy, puppy. Look at me. Puppy, puppy. Say goodbye. Love you. I love you. Bye-bye, puppy. Oh, cute.